Network Entertainment.
And we're on. Hello.
Wakididu.
Hello. Good evening.
We're about to make a name for ourselves here.
We're about to make Sino yun?
Si Gambit.
Si Gambit ba? Okay. Akala ko si Shaquille O'Neal. Hello everybody. Welcome to Bago Matulog with Red Oliero. Here is our semi-regular sidekick, Andren Bernardo.
Anong bakit, Sam? I'm always in every episode.
Wala ka nung Lola Amor episode. Which
yung highest.
natanggal yung regularity mo. Dahil doon.
And ang sakit kasi it's one of the highest shows.
And semi-regular guest,
Yes.
Isa Villaverde is
Hello.
also here.
Whoop whoop.
Oo. Kasi, Isa, hindi kayo mag-lie, no? Medyo masyado maraming edits na nag-guest dito.
Medyo.
Too much. It's too much.
Alam mo naman tong podcast na to for the boys.
Yeah.
For the boys.
And sabi nila 80%, 81% ng watchers natin ay male. So we hoping to diversify here, di ba?
Diversify.
Yun yung
Get a couple of chicks up in this bench.
kailangan natin ng ko. Sana man lang makapull si Isa ng a good 30%. No?
Hell yeah.
Sana. We're not,
Parang ito yung reason why. 80% lang yung audience.
all
May
the-
nag-hell yes.
sobrang male energy.
Oo,
Grabe. So, we gotta, i-gandahan naman natin yung air. Nag-vacuum kami ngayon. Ganong klase.
Nice.
Yes, oo. Naligo si Andren.
Yes.
Di ba? So,
Allegedly.
allegedly. Allegedly
Speaking
naligo.
of naliligo na, first time ko lang gumagamit lang douche. Alam mo yung douche?
Oh.
Is that for guys?
Pwede naman. Yung pang scrub.
Why do we start with this?
Wait.
Totoo ba?
Wait. Douches are for women lang ba? Exclusively?
No, I know it's for bottoms.
Wala mo top. Yeah.
Bumalik na po sa
Ayan,
85%.
85% male.
Ulit.
Yung mga babaeng nakikinig na nito,
Wala
nag-click
na.
away.
Feeling ko ito yung sinasabi ng mga
Sabi niya
lalaki.
may pag-asa. Wala pa rin.
Never mind.
Basura pa
Ito
rin.
yung sinasabi ng mga lalaki. Babe, itong part, pakinggan mo. Nakakatawa to, babe. Kadiri.
Pero nice to know that Andren cleans his asshole. Very nice. Congrats, Andren. Ha? Na, ngayon ka pala naglilinis ng puwet mo.
Ha?
By the way.
Hindi, pare. Siyempre. Actually, that's my favorite part to clean, pare.
Ganda.
I'm all up in there,
So
pare.
Ganda na
this
simula.
episode is about douching.
Dapat ang pag-uusapan namin actually is yung recent career achievement ni Isa being, ilang years ka na nagko-comedy? 7? 2? 3?
2022. It's my second
Second
Almost,
year? Tingnan mo dami yan na-achieve mo compared to
Hell
this asshole.
Oo
over
nga.
here, pare.
Well, ano ka ba? I also opened for a comedian, pare, na nag-perform sa Samsung Performing Arts Theater.
Ako lang ba yan?
Ha?
Ako lang ba yan?
Lang, pare, don't sell yourself. Ayos yung bayad sa akin 1K, pare. Sabi ko,
Kapal ng mukha mo. I
Wow.
specifically remember 1,500 yung binayad ko siya. Sabi
May
ko kasi,
pang-grab na yun.
mahal kasi yung sign. Sabi ko, Andren, napunta lahat ng budget dun sa sign.
Ito ba yung, hindi, ito ba, yung sign na to,
So
di ba?
finally.
Tangina yung greasy ass sign na
Oo
yun.
nga sobrang nakakabad.
Daming fingers.
Yun yung pinapitch ko sa Netflix para tinitignan nila siguro, tangina, puro grasa. Puro mancha yung sign. We had one shot and we forgot to clean the sign.
Why was it greasy?
I don't know. Siguro maraming tao naghawak to put it up.
Yes, kasi nilagyan nila,
Nazareno.
May mga hand marks eh.
nilagyan nila ng lights kasi. Tas okay.
Yun yung reason kung bakit hindi namin nire-release yung finally full edition kasi
Kasi magrasa.
kasi magrasa yung sign.
Tapos may isang shot lang solid na nandun lang kami ni Alexio. At ako to si Alexio na nakatingin lang kami.
may isang angle na nakagano'n lang si Alex sa si Adam. Sa sobrang unusable eh. Pero yes, si Isa, sobrang ADHD na naman eh.
It's called being spontaneous, Red.
Okay. Sige, tama. Si Isa, nag-open siya sa Samsung Hall for a comedian named Atsuko. Tama ba?
What's the last name?
I mean, Okusa?
Okja.
Okja? Talaga?
Okatsuka.
Okatsuka.
Yeah.
Atsuko
Sa half
Ajinomoto.
Japanese, half Taiwanese comedian.
That's on research.
Nag-research ako for this. And honestly, if you're an up-and-coming comedian opening for a big show, yun yung isa sa mga tinatry mong i-achieve na career milestones eh, di ba? So, si Andren, nagawa na yun with me. Yun. Ako, when I was coming up, I opened for Rex.
Yes,
I opened
Tito
for...
Rex.
Jokoy, pare. Okay.
I opened for Jokoy. So, masaya naman siya. I opened for Dwayne Perkins. Kilala mo yan?
Oh, yes. Yung diabetes joke niya is my favorite. Nag-open... Wait, who? Performed at Conan. So, by third degree... So
Nag-open ako for Conan.
Yes.
Tama.
Nice.
Yun yung ano ko. So, it's very tas saka parang itong mga to, when you experience it, magkakaroon ka ng maraming career perspective, may inspire ka and everything. So, we're gonna talk about that. A very serious career episode here sa Bagong Matulog with Red Oliero.
For the 5% of women.
For the 5% of women that's listening. Umangat na eh.
Dapat may women-o-meter tayo dito.
Bumababala parate.
Dumadami ADHD list.
Yes. We'll talk about this right after this very unnecessary. Oh, baba. And we're back. Bakit ka tatawa?
Ba't di mo sinave for the podcast yung rhinitis talk mo?
Ayoko. Sumisigot ako na solid eh. Every night ako, ewan ko, sa mga ka-rhinitis ko dyan, kamusta ang hay fever? Every time, end of July, August, every year, ewan ko, feeling ko nagko-cross-pollinate yung mga tao, mga flowers.
Okay.
Kaya dapat talaga putulin lahat ng puno.
Kung nakakita ko,
Joke lang yun.
Click away na ulit yun.
kung nakakita ko ng mga lush force, masarap tayo yung ng mall to. No? Dami insekto dito na walang kwenta.
Tangina, baka sponsoran tayo ng SM niyan.
SM!
Sir, we appreciate your values. We also agree that tayuan lahat ng mall, lahat ng mga bundok.
Dude, ang saya pare. Isipin mo sa Surigao pare. May makita ka.
Surigao.
May makita ka mula kay SM. Putang ina.
Gusto ko na pinagsama mo yung Siargao tsaka Surigao. Surigao.
Wait. Are those different places?
Yes.
Yes.
Siargao is in Surigao. Di ba? Tama ba? O hindi ba? Hindi
Okay,
ba?
I'm not the best person to ask.
Well,
Pinagtatawanan niyo ako.
Geographically challenged din
Pero
ako.
alam
Pero
ko,
magkaiba siya.
Magkaiba siya. Siargao is surfing place.
Surigao is...
A bigger place.
Yes.
Ewan ko. Nag-meeting yung tech natin so hindi natin alam kung walang fact checkers ngayon. Pero okay, sige, Isa, kamusta naman?
Yes.
Paano nangyari to? Paano nagsimula to lahat?
Well,
Was it just a random DM?
honestly, oo.
Talaga? What the
DM
fuck?
lang siya. Tapos...
Nag-slide siya sa DMs mo?
Si Atso ko mismo?
not her. Pero syempre merong mga, yung local organizers.
Okay.
They were looking for openers.
Who was the local organizer?
Si Insignia.
Insignia. Is it competition?
Pero they messaged a bunch. Actually, nag-usap din kami ni...
Atso
Si
ko.
Baus din pala.
Hindi pala.
Na-message din siya.
Oh, so it was
But,
between you
oo.
and Baus.
Parang meron din ata silang iba pang minessage.
Ah, okay.
At least, ang
Well,
alam
they
ko,
didn't
kami
message
ni
me.
ano.
Pare. Okay.
Tapos, parang, well, lucky for me.
Mm-mm.
Nasa New York nun si Baus. So, he couldn't be there talaga.
Yan, Baus.
Pero,
Bakasyon ko kasi ng bakasyon.
hell yeah. Pero it's nice na at least shit kami yung nasa radar niya. So, important talaga to build your comedy profile,
Yes.
guys.
Yeah, dude.
So, tag dito, they messaged us early June. Tapos, nung nag-announce siya ng sale, sold out agad.
Yeah.
Tapos parang they opened a few more slots. Sold out din agad the two other shows. Tapos parang, di ba you only get openers pag parang you need help selling the show?
Hindi naman.
Or di naman. Depende sa ano. Pero, at least that's what I thought. Kasi ang tagal
Kasi
lang hindi
gusto na ng
sumagot.
guy with a
Oo.
local following. So matagal siya hindi sumagot.
Oo, tagal siya hindi sumagot. Bumili na akong ticket. Kasi, well, no matter what, I'm gonna.
Yeah.
I have to watch her here. Kasi, ewan ko kung babalik pa siya.
Nakakatawa kung hindi niya nirefund yung ticket mo. No? Nabili mo na eh.
Pinamigay mo na lang, no?
Hindi, binenta ko pa rin. Kasi I tried to refund through them, pero sobrang solid ng SM policy na.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, you gotta
Wala.
get
Yeah.
it person. Okay,
I'm
fine.
opening
whatever.
for the stupid show.
Yun nga eh. Parang, yun yung ano, parang wala pa akong enough
I would do
artista
the same.
pool.
Kung ako yung producer, bumili ka eh. Tangina ang gagawin ko dyan ngayon. What the fuck would I do to that ticket?
Even aso ko sa, nung sinabi ko, oh, sorry, I have to parang step out for a little bit kasi kailangan kong ibigay yung physical ticket ko to the one who bought.
Oh,
did
wow.
you just return it to the...
Nagulat siya.
That's how you do it here. I don't know.
Okay.
That's the policy. But anyway, parang a week before the show na lang, doon na hi, so,
Grabe naman yun.
yun nga, sobrang close
You could
call.
have been booked. Yeah.
Ayun na nga. So, parang sanabi na sa kanila, but Atsuko really still wanted an opener na local for the show.
Oh, that's
so,
great. That's great of her.
Ayun. Tapos yun, she messaged me personally na. So parang, okay, wala na atraso na. Ito na yun.
Talaga?
Siya na nag-message. So,
Ano sabi niya? Like,
hey, I'm so happy you're opening for our Manila show. You wanna do, you wanna talk a little bit before
Yeah.
Tapos nagpaalam siya, syempre she wants to do behind the scenes content. So, parang, okay lang ba if mag-usap we'll film a few things.
Yeah,
So, sige. So, ayun. So, all that, in a span of 1 week lang yung getting ready for the show.
nagkaroon ba ng awkward time na nagninego kayo ng rate ni Atsuko?
Hindi directly kay
Can you
Atsuko.
do 5,000 for this? I don't know. Maybe 10,000. Makakatawa pag ganun.
Hindi niya ako na Chinese nego.
Hindi. Walang ganun.
May tawad-tawad eh. Pero yun, thank God, it went through yung feel like production naman mostly yung
Yeah.
yung Ogubay. Di ba nagtanong pa nga ako sa'yo,
Yeah.
how
Oo
much
nga
should I charge for this?
Sa utak ko nun, parang ka na maarte, isa putang ina mo.
Yun na nga. Pero yung unang talaga nila.
Hindi, yung unang offer nila was kind of low.
Yeah.
Pero I'm glad na I think parang, ewan ko kung pwede ko divulge to, pero wala na akong magagawa. Wala ka na magagawa. So, parang they wanted you to perform in English, di ba? Simula.
Yeah, that was one of the...
That was what I was gonna say. Like, nag-English ka ba or Tagalog?
Ako parang sabi ko parang, kung ilalagay ka nila sa posisyon na naka-compromise ka, hindi ka makapag-perform na maayos. Might as well like charge a lot. Parang ganun. Kasi may expose ka in a weird way. Parang a lot of people there na you're banking on these comedy fans to be your fans, di ba?
Yeah.
Mhm.
So parang may expose ka. Maganda yung exposure mo sana because potent yun eh. It's very comedy fans. Pero hindi mo mabigay yung 100% mo if you're forced to perform in English.
Hindi
Sayang.
daw joke
Sayang
mag-translate ng jokes. Hindi ka padali. Dude, hindi ka
sa utak
padali.
akala mo parang translatable sa bila mamaya sinasayang mo lang sa stage.
Oh.
Tangina,
Yung
hindi
rhythm.
pala yung
Iba yung rhythm niya.
The
Tsaka
syllables
bukod
are all wrong. Yeah.
Bukod sa if a joke is translatable, parang sometimes even a joke is parang convertible to English. The punchlines are very Pinoy pop culture.
Yeah.
Parang, kunyari, gay stereotypes here locally. Hindi magigets ng international audience.
Exactly. So walang point yung translate.
So tinanong ko din, ano ba yung reason na lang why they requested
Very client.
an English.
Okay.
Syempre, objective style. To be fair, it was just a request naman from Atsuko, but like, hindi siya sobrang adamant about it. Sabi niya lang, I just wanted to para understand most of the jokes. But if you are more comfortable performing in your language, that's completely fine. So, ang ginawa ko na lang, I still did perform mostly in English, pero pag yung punchline ko Tagalog, hindi ko talaga ita-translate. Tapos parang na-appreciate pa rin naman niya. Kasi at least,
tumatawa naman.
Yun ang kwento ng jowa ko backstage.
Okay.
Parang, tumatawa naman siya dun sa
Okay. Great.
joke na gano'n. So parang, okay. Tapos kinento niya rin. You know, by the like third show, you know, I was filling in the blanks. All your jokes. Now I kind of get it.
Wait, there was 3 shows in one night?
3 shows.
3 shows in a weekend.
Okay. Fuck.
It's possible, Andon.
Pero grabe, nakita.
Wait.
Pero that's like what? Parang 1,000 seats per show, di ba? Parang
Yeah,
ganun.
1,000 seats.
Fuck!
Pwede kayo mag-set na hindi half empty yung rooms?
sobrang, doon ako nagulat, honestly. When I saw, kasi I've completely wala siya sa radar ko.
Mhm.
But when I saw you guys posting about him, so ako parang, sold out na? Parang
Yeah.
sobrang,
I think she has 1 million followers or some shit.
hindi, pero iba
Yeah.
pa rin yun eh. Iba pa rin yun eh.
Pero yung nga, yun na local fans, na-amaze din, honestly kahit siya,
Mm.
na they had to open up more shows.
Yeah.
Tapos, we didn't know how dedicated the fans were here. Kasi, at least in the US, gets mo, meron siyang fans talaga who like cosplay as her kasi may iconic siyang bowl
look,
cut.
yeah.
Meron din pumunta ng show.
Yeah.
Who did that?
Who dressed up as her. Tapos meron kasi,
Papansin ang puta. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
kasi walang magda-dress up as Andrew.
Oo nga. Actually, madami na. Pumunta ka sa Pulp SummerSlam every year.
Madali lang. Huwag ka maligo at uminom ka ng 10
Cosplay na yun ni Andrew. Tapos merong pang kasi parang, syempre, I had friends who watched the show, sisingit ako parang after the show to say hi. Merong fans na, syempre, who recognize me, oh, can you give this to Atsuko? Like, people handed me gifts to give her. That's
Ninakaw
so
mo na
sweet. Like,
sa...
No. Kinain mo lahat, no?
hindi, pero hindi siya food, like personalized.
Yeah.
Oh, gumawa sila ng
Yeah.
bracelets, ng keychains, ng artwork. That's
Ang
so
intense.
sweet.
It's such a very, yun yung masaya when you have that certain kind of fan base, I guess.
Die hard.
Kasi I remember way back si Neil Gaiman went here. Tapos my brother and my sister were volunteer staff sa para meet and greet niya.
Ooh.
And he was supposed to be there for like 2 hours lang. He ended up wasting like the whole afternoon hanggang gabi because there was so much people who came.
Oh, man.
Tapos lahat sila, they had gifts. So yun din yung problema niya. Parang ang dami niyang may nagbigay ng barong, mga ganong klase. Sobrang, I think, hindi ko alam kung Filipino culture lang yan.
Hindi, din eh. Like, when you're really passionate about an artist that you like.
I guess so.
Kunyari, K-pop artists.
Yeah, they give them like fucking personalized like posters.
Oh, yung iba pa, like Cartier bracelets. Ganon kayaman.
Has anyone ever given you a gift, Red?
Oo naman. Mga food, ganon. Mga art.
Yeah.
Oh, pero yung art nun, di ba? In the middle of your show.
Sobrang ibang
may
klase.
isang guy.
May nagbigay sa akin ng vape.
Oh, yan. May mga ganon. Vape. Kape. Naalala ko. Some pastries.
Nice.
Recently, may nagbigay sa akin ng saan ba to? Sa Baguio ba to? Or sa, I forgot where. But they gave me like a parang sex board game.
Oh, wow.
Parang it's like a sexy, illustrated by my darling kink
Okay.
na local card game na you can play with a group. I'm like, what
Okay, I just wanna know,
do I do this?
sinong nagbigay?
Hindi ko kilala eh.
Di ba lang?
May ball gag siya.
Pero couple sila and they said
Hi,
they
idol
decide.
po kita.
they-
Mag-sex po kayo.
Oo nga, parang ganun eh. Parang ganun. Here's to a better sex life for you.
Isa tinanggal niya muna yung ball gag niya sa bibig. Para po
Hi,
sa...
Red, sorry. Super big fan.
Yeah. So yun yung pinaka-recent gift na natanggap ko, I guess. Parang ganun. There are more people na, pero I don't allow it na kapag pinapadala na sa since that
Sa
incident. May
address.
isa kasing incident before na nagpadala sa bahay and then the next week, tumatambay sa harapan ng bahay.
That's so
parang
fucking
ganun.
weird.
Parang, andito ako. Parang ganun. Baka trip mo mag-hangout. Parang ganun klase. And I'm like,
My tears don't fall, I wonder why.
grabe.
Red, ba't di mo sinulat?
Nangyayari din sa Cool Pals daw yan. Like, parang sa harapan ng bahay ni GB, may mga nagiinuman doon sa malapit sa bahay niya. Niyaya nila si GB. Hindi
Noise.
nila lumabas. Mga ganong klase.
Parang
Grabe rin
yung
yung fandom mo.
pros and cons of, kasi ako rin, at least I want like fans or
You like free stuff?
followers, like, not ganon. Hindi, pero yung, that I mean something to them. Kasi,
Oh, fuck.
Di ba,
Yes.
think about the people you want to give a gift to.
Yeah.
Parang, shit, you really got me through a hard time. Para
Oh
at
my
least
God.
this is, so,
Yeah.
parang, I know if may fans ako na ganun. Parang, okay, I'm doing something right. But
Yeah.
on the other hand, may risk siya of being a parasocial.
Yeah.
Yes,
I think it's fine if it's a show.
Oo.
I think that's it. So, so
that's
if,
completely
para sa akin,
fine.
combo na rin yun. Like, if you're a fan and you feel like you want to give us something, the best way talaga is to just give it a show. Like, after or have some of the ushers send it back. Ganong klase. Pero kunwari, if it's like, let me know your address. Mga ganong klase. Nakakatakot eh. So,
Meron din akong gift, well, gift or collab, whatever siya. So, merong photographer couple na nanonood ng show na. Tas they really liked me. Tas they offered to do a photo shoot.
Let me take a picture of you.
Yun nga, pero for some reason, I trusted them eh. Parang iniisip ko rin,
Walang research?
nung papunta na ako dun sa studio,
What if pagdating mo ng puro plastic cover?
Pa-chloroform ako pagbaba ako ng Grab. Pero it turned
Legit
out,
naman.
Legit sila.
Meron silang ice word
They were
shot
really-
mask. May beak.
Vibes lang talaga. Pero kasi the couple was really nice.
Okay.
Tapos,
That makes it
meron silang,
creepier.
Okay.
tapos, dito, they're event photographers and tsaka baby portrait photographer. Sobrang ayos.
Okay,
Parang,
okay.
this is the thing I have to go. Parang ito lang yung panghahawakan ko
Yeah.
na. Hindi sila sketchy,
Hindi sila.
diba?
Oh,
Hindi,
baby
diba?
photographer sila eh. That's
Parang,
not weird.
It turned out well. Like, ayun
Okay.
nga, yung photos na yun, ginagamit ko ngayon for posters.
Oh, great. Okay. Nakalibre ka pa.
Oo.
Was it like a home studio? Or parang...
It was a
Wow,
small
you're
home
so
studio.
brave. Wala kang kasama nun? Wala kang sinabihan na, hey,
Vibes lang talaga.
I'm about to go to this parang stranger studio na nila.
Ang weird, pagpasok ko, ang daming wax figures.
Oo, tapos may naririnig ako
Sobrang real ng wax
sa cabinet. Pero ang ganda ng photos.
May mga tools na sina-sharpen. Ganun sa ano.
Pero
We're glad you didn't.
Pero on the other side of it then about the fandom, like malambot talaga yung puso ko. Recently may nag-comment sa videos natin, like, this really helps me get through the day and work. Dude, sa
nagugulat ako.
Yeah, kasi alam mo kung ba't maganda yun? Like, I have power over these people. Like, hindi ka
Napaka-wholesome.
Kaya hindi ka nabibiyayaan.
I'm kidding. Like, I super appreciate it. Like, sobrang, okay, this is why I do this. Like, it's so good then to feel that way.
It's a good, parang, kasi in a way, when we get to do things that we do, nagkakaroon ka rin ng cathartic release or parang it's therapy din for us.
Exactly.
I mean,
Yeah.
so it's a way na parang you have this ecosystem nga of I'm doing this because I'm happy and you're watching it making you happy. And that's why you're happy, I'm
Yeah.
happy, I'll perform better. So it's just back and forth.
It's the law of equivalent exchange, Red.
Ganun ba? May tawag ba doon?
And it's like
Full Metal Alchemist.
Hindi ko alam yan. Sorry.
So may mamamatay.
Okay, mama. Yun ba yung
Mamatay.
use niya yung,
Yung alak niya sa dog, that was one episode and that was super fucked up.
Okay. Kind of
Nag-click
weird.
away na yung natitirang 3%
Oo nga eh.
na babae.
Sabi naman, tangina, nerd din pala to si Isa.
Yung chick-o-meter gumagano.
Full Metal Alchemist ang puta. Parang boyfriend ko lang to eh. Anyway.
I get na doon nung yung crowd din ni sorry, balik lang kay Atsuko.
Balik natin sa topic.
Like, she knows then her crowd is full of
Nerds.
ino-own niya rin kasi na weirdos ang niya. Yung tawag niya sa fans din.
Okay.
Yung mga wala daw, yung parang nakaupo lang quietly at the corner. Pero nung lumaki, naging,
Yeah.
So, as in, yung energy ng crowd niya doon, it was just very wholesome.
Oh, yeah. How
Tsaka
was
it
the,
a mix.
how was your performance? Did you enjoy it?
Oh, yeah.
How many minutes did you do?
Oo nga.
I did, binigyan naman 15 to 20.
Wow! Laki.
solid.
It's more than
Yeah.
what Jokoy gave to me.
Eh.
Oo.
Pero I think, hindi ko na lang minax yung 20 kasi
I would have done 26.
I would have done 14.
Sobra sakto lang.
at least kasi yung para I think may bangers na mata-translate to English.
Gets.
Parang nung kinuwenta ko, umabot lang to 18, 17. Di, parang lumabas pa rin akong minimum. Di ako
Okay.
under time.
Not like this asshole over here.
Hey, nag-overtime na ako ngayon.
Oo nga. Oo.
Maganda rin ba yun? Overtime ka.
Hindi nga. Wala siyang tamang
Pero
ginagawa.
in the grand scheme of things, you have to be selfish rin naman when you're doing this business.
Huh? No. What are you talking about? Sobrang selfless ko kaya.
Pero,
Yourself more.
Sorry, Isa. Sorry, Isa. Ang hirap magkaroon ng serious comedy episode dito sa putang inang show na to. Man, Oo.
Okay, sorry.
Feeling ko dahil kasalanan to ng fans, sinusuportahan nila at in-encourage nila yung terrible behavior natin.
Ayan.
Feeling ko ako nagbigay sila ng proper feedback na tipong, tangin ang pangit ng huling episode, nakasama yung si Ray Mamuhan. Mga ganong klase.
Hindi kasi nagsasalita si Ray.
Pero may nag-comment dun sa Reddit, di ba? Si Ray walang ambag pero natutuwa ako sa kanya.
Hindi ko nakita.
May gumawa na Reddit post na favorite bago matulog guest.
Oh, okay.
Kasi si Ray walang ambag.
Hindi, si Ray lang kasi hindi siya madaldal eh.
Anong feedback? Parang nakakatawa ka lang kasi, hindi naman kailangan kasi magdaldal or whatever, I guess. I don't know. Okay, sorry. Back to the crowd. Oh,
yeah,
you did 15 to 20.
Yeah, the sets were great. Parang
may applause pa.
Oh,
shit.
every show.
Sarap.
Kaya
15,000 people.
Sarap. Okay.
Ang sarap. Tapos yung parang mas accomplishment pa for me to do it mostly in English.
Na alam mong kaya mo, di ba?
Oo, it's parang okay. Gets mo na. Parang tikim pa lang to kasi di ko pa nagawa.
That will open up your world. Now you can do like Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore.
Yeah,
you can do all those rooms. Yeah.
Tapos yun nga rin, yung watching Atsuko do her set na one, mostly English.
Yeah.
It's all English, wala siya choice.
No, wala siya choice.
It's all English. Tapos it's all, parang all or mostly clean.
Yeah.
Parang, tapos yun, natutuwa ako na it transcends language and culture na parang, as in, relatable shit siya kahit na taga LA. Ano siya parang, oh shit, how do I apply this?
Mahirap.
To my parang I know ultimately
it looks so easy, no?
I know.
Yeah.
She makes it look so easy pero ang weird, parang nung inisip ko rin, I don't wanna compromise what I find funny. Yeah. Parang alam ko ultimately Tagalog kasi sakatawa.
Yeah.
Tagalog joke sa akin eh. Pero parang na-inspire lang ako to expand what I joke about.
We can talk about that. Kasi being ESL, and then performing in English, it already means na you're performing a secondary language, diba? So, ibig sabihin, the way you think is not in English.
Yeah,
so, that's already one hurdle na hindi. So, pag nag-iisip ako ng thoughts ko, Tagalog siya eh. Ano mo yun? So, hindi siya native sa ano. Plus, I think, rin siya, parang, mas marami kang techniques in Tagalog. Like, you know how to wordplay more, you know how to intonate more, yung pacing.
There's benefits to switching from English to Tagalog.
Yes.
Kasi subvert mo yung
yung punchline. Yeah.
Oo, sa punchline.
Yeah. Meron din tayong style na we kind of use English as a way na yun yung serious mode natin. Because, diba? So, Anatomy of a Joke, ayan, mga fucking comedy nerds.
Comedy nerds.
Yan na to. Anatomy of a Joke. So, it's always set up, then punchline, diba? So, sa setup mo, it's supposed to be parang dun mo in-introduce ko yung topic, yung joke mo, yung attitude mo, yung premise mo, and everything. So, usually, may mga times na ginagawa natin. May mga times na we use English there. Just to really portray na ito yung seryosong part ng joke, di ba? Or ito yung part na hindi nakakatawa. And then mas added twist pa nag-Tagalog ka, lalo na pag act out, nag-Tagalog ka doon, dagdag siya of parang, ito na yung silliness, nagpakatotoo na siya, parang ganong klase. Yeah. Yun yung mahirap natin. We can't be like, okay, di Tagalog yung punchline ko doon. So, Englishin ko na yung punchline. Hindi eh. Part yun ng ano eh.
It flopped.
It flopped eh. Lalo na dito.
May times na, nyari, I did, parang a lot of my jokes are that way, na parang I can translate the setup in English. Tapos yung ginawa ko yung setup in English, parang, shit, ang meld ng tawa. Ginawa ko yung Tagalog punchline kasunod. Yeah. Ayun. yun yung
so, parang nag-double punchline ka pa. Yun yung parang pinakamalaking hurdle with us. And then ang advantage naman if you perform in English, you cast a wider net. Like some person like a Jason Leong, Malaysian native, 'di ba? Now based in Singapore but can cast a wider net of audience because he performs in English. He can perform in Australia, in America. Pag naglabas siya ng Netflix special, mapapanood ng buong mundo. Whereas tayo, when we choose to prefer local, mas potent siya for local audiences.
Mm-mm.
But yun nga lang, we
Yeah.
alienate the
Trade-off.
rest of the world. Yun lang yung problema.
That's why GB is so
Oo.
good, pa. He can do both. Eh.
Oo, pero pag nakita mo si GB mag-perform in English, then mas mahina, siyempre mas nakakatawa siya yung Tagalog.
Of course,
diba?
yeah.
Pero yung
Oo.
kumbaga parang yung power display. Like ako kunwari, kung 100% ako sa Tagalog, pag nag-English ako siguro mga 65. Parang
May
ganun.
limiter ka.
Oo, may limit ako. Parang hanggang doon lang na-achieve ko. Si GB siguro kung 100% sa Tagalog, mga siguro kaya niya mag-85 sa English or 90.
Nice.
Ganun klase. Yeah.
All of this talk about like language, kasi I heard something about like, parang di ba sinasabi mo language influences thought?
Huh?
Yeah, it does.
Where the fuck did I say that?
Wait.
Tang-ina.
Sabi niya lang, he thinks in Tagalog.
Here's my point. Like, language
Buti
influences
na lang
thought.
merong hindi abnormal na tao dito. Nakakaalala ng mga Tangina, nakikinig ka ba?
Yeah.
What's wrong
May
with you?
fact checker.
We're talking about
Oh, but
language.
okay,
Since we're
continue.
talking about language.
Okay,
like,
go.
Continue the thought.
may nagsabi, language influences thought. And how do you control people's thoughts? You change the language, pare. Di ba? Ang ganda, di ba?
Why is that that's not even relatable sa lahat ng sinabi namin?
Hindi.
Bakit mo siya inisip?
I'm processing
Oo
them.
nga, ako din eh.
Wala lang.
Change the language, what does that mean?
Like,
Hindi mo na makokontrol kasi
Hindi mo
iba
naman
na
ako hindi na maintindihan.
Oo nga.
nag-click away na yung remaining 1%.
Sino nagsabi nun?
Ha?
Sino nagsabi nun sa'yo?
May narinig ko lang siya
May
somewhere.
baliw lang ba nagsabi sa'yo sa labas ng condo niyo?
Kuya, Sampaguita, by the way, language changes.
Ano nangyari, Andren? Did you just open your mouth?
Hindi, I was just fascinated about language. Yeah, if we're talking about language, I thought I could add something. Tas parang tinapalan mo lang ng solid. Tas yeah.
Pinasabi ko sa'yo, pare.
No, it's my fault. Like, it's just,
Actually, kasalanan ko na pinagsalita kita.
Hindi.
Yun yung kasalanan ko.
Yeah.
Oh my God. That absolutely did not contribute to anything we said.
Kahit 2%.
Kahit may ibig sabihin yung sinabi mo, hindi yun yung train of thought na usapan namin eh. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
Parang-
you're right.
Parang yes, okay, tungkol siya sa language. Pero 'di ba?
Like, hindi siya
naman siya in relation
kahit 2%?
to... Hindi. At all. Negative 50%. Actually,
Na-derail.
alam mo sa Billy Madison, we are actually dumber. We heard that
And may
episode.
God have mercy on your soul.
Parang ganun.
But ikaw, Isa, are you used to doing sets in English na?
Tingay. Nakikinig ka pa. I hate you. I hate you so much. Tingnan mo, nang galing si Isa sa Atsuko
Yeah.
Okatsu.
Okay.
Tama. Okatsuka.
Yeah.
Atsuko Okatsuka.
Or in my mom's words, kay Onitsuka.
Onitsuka Ajinomoto.
Okay, I'm glad I'm doing better than Onitsuka Tiger. Okay. God,
So,
and then sobrang dirin.
Performing in English.
Informing
Yeah,
in English is
okay.
very, very hard. So sa lahat ng mga corps or brand people or mga taong kumukuha sa amin ng corporate gig, it's not very cool when you say, pagdating namin sa venue, pwede ba English yun to kasi mga boss namin na galing Singapore eh. Hindi siya astig. Okay?
Hindi siya ganun lang.
Hindi siya ganun lang. Okay?
Yung
So,
Ben and Ben ba, pag i-Englishin yun.
yun nga. Si Victor, meron siyang reply na sabi niya ginagamit niya kapag yung response niya kapag nagre-request ng topics, parang sinasabi niya, kasi po para po siyang set ng musician, parang hindi naman sila parang, Raymond Marasigan, pwede bang kumanda tungkol sa BPO? Parang ganun, di ba?
So good sa BPO.
Parang ganun yung pinapagawa eh. So, actually, less and less na nangyayari yan. Yung mga ganyang klaseng incident. Kasi I think, mas na-educate na yung mga tao about what stand-up comedy is. And as in, malaking testament to the fact na some comedian na foreign, na usually foreign acts don't do as well as, para si Jokay lang yung foreign act that really does well here. To have like 3 dates na sold out in a big theater. Grabe. As in, ibig sabihin, parang, kasi may ibang tao ang pangit ng kuha. May mga tao na they would see this as tangina tong mga to, tiga mo pag foreign comedian tsaka lang yun yung sinusuportan, pero sa show ko hirap ako magbenta ng tao. I think us local comedians should see that as a para ito yung potential ko.
Exactly.
Yeah, ito yung pwede kong gawin. Kasi if there are people coming out to support this person ng 3,000 tickets sold, kaya mo siyang gawin. Kasi dito lang siya.
Tsaka yung, I appreciated din, like, a lot of her fans after the show, like, messaged me, or like, talk to me personally after the show na, parang, di ko alam na may local stand-up.
Yes.
I'll come watch you. Or
Saya ng feeling,
no?
May lumalapit, mas magaling ka kay Red. Ang feeling pa.
Parang either...
Another thing you imagine.
yung fantasy ni Andrew.
Kausap ko lang pader.
Language controls.
Hindi counted ng AI.
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
Pero yun, yung one na may local stand-up scene pala. Is to, meron pa, or kung alam na nilang may scene, may female comedians pala. So I'm glad to represent that.
So, nasabi mo na ba? Hindi, 4 lang kami.
Oo, tas 3 na buntis.
Totoo.
Margie and I are holding down the fort so bad.
Women be getting pregnant.
Wala nang, may pwede naman sila bumalik with that hot new 10 minutes, pare.
Congratulations, ma'am. It's a new 15.
Yun yung mga yan. So, did you gain new followers?
Childbirth be crazy.
Sino ditong nanganak?
Sino na-experience ng miracle of childbirth? Diba? Okay. So, did you gain a lot of followers? Na?
Oo, may nagka-surge din after the show. Tapos yung meron ding nag-message na, like, just a few.
Did they come to your shows?
Yung iba, planning to go to may upcoming show.
Pero pag foreign comedian, nandiyan kayo kaagad.
Yung upcoming show ko sa September.
Oh yeah, you have a theater show in September.
Yeah, tutuloy na siya. Yung Korik. I hope I see you guys there. Tapos yung meron din ako ilang message, like 2 or 3. Yung meron pa, sobrang na-flatter lang ako na, actually, I found you much funnier than Mexico. Tapos parang, well, I don't want to claim that, pero nakaka-boost siya ng ego.
Yeah, it does.
So it only shows that some Tagalog hits harder.
Yes. Ganun talaga, if yung art is more relatable, it means mas, I mean, mahal ko yung mga comedians that I follow. Pero they will barely be relatable. Kasi konti lang yung topics nila that are universal. Once they start ranting about Trump or yung mga US issues, mga ganong klase.
Black America.
Mga ganon. Hindi mo na siya gets You get it from an outsider's perspective. Why it's funny, ganyang klase. Nagigets mo yung joke.
Yeah, if you're a stand-up fan, yung parang pipilitin mo sa sarili mong intindihin siya.
Yeah. And maganda siya, na-educate ka. Pero hindi pa rin siya, it doesn't hit as hard as Tagalog, fellow person na lumaki dito and everything. That's why you should support local art, pare. Yun talaga yun.
Tapat mo sila kay James o Nonong o kay Red, pare.
Tsaka yung sa music din. Same with music. Parang may mga ibang tao na hindi ko nangigets na gusto nila yung music pero they barely listen to OPM. So parang how do you super relate yourself to people na sobrang layo ng upbringing mo? Posible, pero isipin mo kung if you listen to local stuff and this guy is probably just like a city away from you. Alam mo yun, you probably grew up in the same kind of household or ano. So, mas relatable yung mga stuff that they put out. Same with comedians, di ba?
Fun fact, yung basista ng Slapshock, taga Kalasyaw, Pangasinan.
Talaga?
Yeah,
so, may mga Slapshock songs ba about bangus? May mga
Paborito ko yung isda! Dun, 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 dun.
Marami. Like, nung nag-show kami sa Cebu recently, maganda rin yung maganda yung art culture nila to the point na they really revere local acts. So, ang maganda doon
Hindi
is...
na Cebu Pride.
Matindi yung Cebu Pride. Yun yung gusto ko kasi parang sa Manila wala masyadong parang pare QC din yan eh. Walang ganun eh, no? Walang ganung masyadong pride dito eh.
Kasi kami nandun sa circle.
Doon kasi pag minention mo yung urban dub, nag-cheer yung mga tao eh. Parang ganun. So...
Oo nga no. Parang kunyari, kung taga-Pasig si Rico Blanco or something, wala siyang ano sa...
Wala siyang ano. Actually ako, kahit ako, as in same, taga Muntinlupa yun, tsaka San Pedro Laguna yun, si Rico Blanco. So, same lang kami ng local. Same pa kami ng high school. Wala akong affiliate sa kanya. I mean, gusto ko yung music niya. Idol ko siya because of that. But not because pares kami ng local or anything. Walang tribalism that way.
Walang Muntinlupa pride.
Walang ganun. Meron Pinoy pride, I guess. If it's translatable to other countries. Pero yung local, wala masyado, I guess. Parang ganun.
Yeah, pero ang weird nga nun, walang local pride pero may Pinoy pride. Why do you think... Ba't kaya ganun? No? Like,
hindi ko alam. Hindi, meron local pride sa ibang probinsya.
Oo, for Manila,
sa Manila lang wala.
Kasi we're kind of like the white people of the
Totoo.
Philippines.
Tayo yung
Let's not be proud.
Para tayong
Manila pride.
Tawag din na Imperial Manila eh. Parang ganun yung dating ng mga tao. Masyadong nasusunod yung Manila, honestly. We all get the good shit and the bad shit.
Like Manila and everywhere else. Like,
parang ganun yung...
Parang the most na is, dahil medyo probinsya adjacent sila. Pag taga-South.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
oppressed din ng South.
Yeah. Parang, so nandun kami sa Cebu. After ng mga gigs namin, we would hang out. Parang may isang time we hung out this parang vinyl record bar and people from the scene are just hanging out there, and then parang it's just they're just talking about parang kung anong trip nilang pakinggan ng music and everything. Mas maganda yung culture. Well, I guess yung part ng Cebu that I was exposed to because magaling yung producers namin. So I think yun din yung kailangan natin, how do you say this? I-empower or parang to tap into. Kasi if we keep blaming the foreign acts na sinasabi natin, sila lang yung pinaparod ng mga and everything. I think that's also, kumbaga parang two ways din siya. Diba? Yung audience should also support local. But us, we should also dispense something that can be consumed by the locals.
Parang just let more help, parang allow your comedy to be found.
Yes. Yes.
Give it the best chance.
Tipong nagwawala ka kasi wala nakagets na may show ka sa isang bar sa Wicked Dogs ng third week of August. Tapos ang next show mo is at second week sa San Juan. Nainis ka dahil hindi ka nila nahanap that way. I think that's a really boneheaded mentality.
Sino yun?
Maraming ganun.
Just promote yourself. Like recently nga lang, I'm just parang dami ko nang pinopost na shit. Like, yeah, it helps. It does helps with ticket sales.
It helps to promote. Naman. Fucking...
Why?
Talaga?
Buti ngayon mo lang na-realize.
Ngayon mo lang na-realize na kailangan mo mag-promote. Nag-share nga siya ng isang episode ng Bago Matulog eh.
Hindi, recently.
Nagwala yung mga tao
Just one.
Oh my God! Nag-share na siya! Wow!
I've been doing it for a month na, Red, to be fair.
Okay. Whatever.
Pero napansin niyo ba guys, like yung parang ginagawa na nilang joke yung parang pagiging proud sa mga Pinoy. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yung mga sobra.
Yeah, diba?
Ganun din naman sa Amerika eh, diba?
Pero nairita ako like, okay, pinagtatawaran mo yung mga taong nagiging proud sa mga...
Ako natawa ko.
Yeah. I fucking hate you so much.
Ito naman eh.
Okay.
Ako natatawa ko. Yung
Pero
mabuhay.
It's funny. But okay.
May mabuhay isa live photoshoot kami na hindi masyadong na-approve. Pero meron akong isa doon na parang yung chair ko nakabalot sa plastic. Tapos nakataas yung paa ko sa balikbayan box. Tapos meron akong mga isaw sa bulsa. Tapos meron akong supot ng soft drink sa tabi. Parang overloaded Pinoy imagery.
Kalaplapan mo yung Philippine Eagle.
Ganun. Yeah. So parang ganun yung tingin ko minsan.
Nakasakay sa tricycle.
Kasi sobra naman kasi talaga yung Pinoy pride minsan, di ba? Parang tipong pag nagbabasketball, parang nakita mo ba yung yung player na yan, yung kapatid niyan, ang asawa niyan, Pinoy. Mga ganyan. Parang ganun yung connection na hinahanap nila.
Pero yung mga artista na, alam nyo ba, 1/16th Pinoy, si Vanessa Hudgens.
Oo, mga ganun. Exactly.
Ako being devil's advocate lang, nakakatawa nga. Pero, again, to be a bit, like, hindi man serious, like, what if paano kung it's all they have, pare, to be proud
Yun din kasi,
something.
kulang kasi tayo sa representation.
Yeah.
Yun nga yun talaga. That's the problem. Pero si Isa nag-represent sa Atsuko Otsuka. Tama ba?
Okatsuka.
Okatsuka.
Yeah.
Atsuko, yakiniku. Ano ka ba?
Ano ka ba? Naglabas ka ba ng Philippine flag? Diba?
Pero parang yung
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Everest, nag-Carlos Yulo.
Tapos pagkatapos ng set mo, drenape ka sa Philippine flag.
Tumugtog yung sulong labang. Uro.
Uy, Rico Blanco yun.
Yung tag dito. But I just made fun of it nung yung pagpasok ko. No, yung intro ko lang. Hello Manila, mahal ko kayo.
Great, good.
Yung paano lang. Yun yung Pinoy pride ko. Pero parang from the tour din, parang at least watching Atsuko, na ang ganda rin yung glimpse of, what
you
if
can be.
world tour na
So si Isa nag-message siya sa akin pagkatapos ng mga ng opening niya. Halatang inspired.
Yeah. I wanted to dump it.
Mga 3 paragraphs.
Parang, okay.
3 paragraphs.
Hindi ko pwedeng barahin tong taon to kasi sayang naman.
So
diba?
nag-rant din ako sa'yo. Parang coming from that. Parang we were, mga problema tayo sa isang show.
Yes.
But yun.
It's such a, tawag din. So, let's talk about that. Like, what were your learnings or parang anong pinaka-pick up mo from or any kind of like inspirations na nakuha mo sa...
Well, for one, ito is just, I'm amazed na Atsuko's just a really nice person. I thought like international comedians would be like
Yeah, something
a little bit, yung may distance from
yung
you.
yung term na never meet your heroes.
Oo,
Sabi
medyo
mga idol
inaano
ka
rin
eh,
ako
tapos
nun.
bigla pala silang kupal na mataba, na walang kwentang tao.
Oo, na binigyan ka ng exposure sa show niya, sa top podcast niya, na wala kang kino-contribute every show. Okay, let's make it about you, Andy. Okay.
Pero, ayun, like, Atsuko's just really parang
real.
lang siyang tayo na nag-i-English. Like,
Okay.
I could hang out. Parang, she asked me to hang out at her dressing room. Parang, she gave me a little bit of her charcuterie board stuff.
Okay.
Like, ganun siya ka-chill. Tapos, syempre, we asked her comedy stuff then.
How long she been on it? Tagal na, no?
Tagal na eh.
Kasi
like,
buong-buo na siya eh.
Oo, parang over 10 years na
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty young pa for her.
Actually, 10 years lang siya nagsa-stand up.
Hindi, pero I think she really found
over,
her niche well. She's young, no? She's what?
Well, I don't know her age, but she keeps joking na I'm 400 years old. Kasi,
Well, she's not
parang
400. That's
Hindi,
obviously
pero
a joke.
Pero kasi, ito, kailan napunta sa discussion na yun? Kasi, yung intro song niya is it's
Old.
a Charlie XCX song. It's a current song.
Oh, okay.
Tapos lagi rin siyang, she rides on the TikTok trends.
Ah.
Kaya may gawa kami video na
Magaling siya mag-market.
Tapos parang, sabi, she constantly keeps herself updated kasi with new songs. Parang, I don't want the young people to judge me for being old. Pero, she doesn't seem that old. She feels like ang young ng spirit niya.
Yeah.
Pero, ayun, parang about comedy things, actually si Judd din nagtanong nito nung siningit, na nepo baby ko siya backstage. Tapos ayun, para natanong namin, any advice nga for comedians? Siyempre, the usual. Yung, para naging tip niya was, try to find how would you describe your point of view in one line?
Oh my God.
I message you about that, diba?
Yeah. And I wish I had answers. Wala ako talaga
diba, parang gets na ko siya. Parang, if you can encapsulate your comedy in one line, parang it would help you. If stuck ka in a joke, parang, okay, ito yung point of view ko. How do I apply it to this topic?
Galing.
To this topic.
Okay.
So, Na yun din, nakuha niya from Margaret Cho.
Mm.
So parang, ang ganda na nung pagpasa nung
ng knowledge.
comedy knowledge. Tapos for her, kunyari, example niya, she figured out na hers is, I'm here but I don't wanna be here.
Yeah, ganda nun.
Tapos nakita ko yun applied in her different jokes nga, na it's always, how do I get out of this awkward situation?
Tsaka
Or
yung line na yun, and then yung kumbaga yung parang yung point of view description na yun. That's really hard to carve for yourself din. So kaya sinabi ko kanina parang when you seem to see her, parang buo na siya. Ibig sabihin, parang it took a lot of years siguro to form whatever that point of view. Kasi ito yung problema with that advice din. If you dispense that to someone na hindi masyadong, like kunwari, hindi siya as experienced as you guys, and then bibigay mo sa kanya siguro 2 months pa lang siya nag-open mic, he might try to force a direction onto himself or herself.
Pa nga kasi parang kinahunan niya yung sarili niya.
Sobrang hirap ng comedy. So it's so hard to even like kung dinispensan ka ng advice na ganyan, tapos mali pa yung kuha mo.
Pag mali
kasi 'di ba maano kay, and then yun nga yung ano doon. So I think binato niya yung advice na yun knowing na may alam ko.
Ano rin naman, sinabi niya, it changes every time.
Yeah.
Parang the more you develop as a comedian, sabi rin naman niya, noong nga di siya makasabi na advice kasi I feel like I'm always constantly
learning
evolving and finding myself as a comedian. So wala akong hard, solid advice. So kukopyahin ko na lang si Margaret Cho.
It's a very credible comedian to
it's
diba?
cool de parang inaplan niya, si Dave Chappelle. Parang off the top of her head lang, parang his is no one tells me what the fuck to do.
Yeah.
Tapos na-apply
niya. Ang ganda nun. Like, I'm gonna apply that. Like, the thing
diba?
In one phrase yung comedy.
Tapos parang I tried with me, at least for now, ang best effort ko pag-encapsulate. Parang, ako, judgmental na takot ma-judge. Ayun, parang nahanap ko, yun yung most ng premise ng joke ko. And those are the things that I find funny. Yung things na ginajudge ko about myself, but how do I make this cool? Or
it's very hard to do to kind of like define your work din. Mahirap siya eh.
But it's a fun exercise.
I guess so.
Hard din yung mako-conscious kasi sa sarili mo. This is what I think about myself.
Pero maganda siyang compass when you're lost, because let me tell you, like hindi porket matagal ka ng comedian, hindi ka na immune sa mental. I've just coming off like a very huge mental block the past year. So parang ako until now, actually kahit recently lang when I'm performing this new half hour that I have, parang ang naiisip ko talaga, shit, parang ang hirap, parang may training wheels pa yung, parang kakatanggal lang ng training wheels ng bisikleta ko. Parang yun yung feeling ko, which is parang at year 17, inisip ko sa sarili ko, dapat din na nangyayari to sa akin eh. Parang ganun. So you fall back to those kinds of like advice.
You need the wheels back on.
Totoo, parang ganun. Kailangan mo ng ganung konting, sige nga, let's try to, and parang recently ko lang nakuha yung super groove ko dito sa recent tour namin. So I think it was a good decision to just do, stand up with like a lot of great guys din. Malaking bagay. Kasi same thing when you perform with someone like si Atsuko, andayo mo ko ang perspective sa kanya, and then also na-validate din yung mga current knowledge mo, di ba? Like parang, ganyan din pala siya. Parang ganun.
You never want to be the funniest one in the room kasi you can't evolve rin eh. Diba?
What? What are you talking
Hindi
about?
yung sinasabi mo, di ba? Like, kaya
No. That's not.
Wait,
I want to be the funniest.
let me finish.
Kina-quote ka niya kanina.
Kina-quote mo ako? What the hell are you talking about? That's not what I said.
Wait. Let's be fair.
Okay.
Like, yung point mo, that's why I'm, like, kasi I'm performing with great comedians. It makes you better, di ba? Pero if you're the funniest one in the room, tas wala kang...
But I want to be the funniest one in the room.
Let me finish, Master Red. But if you want to, like, if you're the funniest one in the room, tas everyone is like below you, parang di ka mag-i-improve. That's my point.
Sige na.
I hate you so much, Red.
Gusto ko lang yung nabubula yung mukha niya every time. Pinipressure siya.
Yun yung highlights ng bago matulog eh. Yes.
Kaya siya nagkaka-alopecia.
Actually, nagsimula si Andren sa show na to. Buong buo pa yung buhok niya eh.
Hindi yes and no, bobo ka.
Hindi ako pwede mag-twee, pare.
Zip, zap, zop.
Pero, I guess so. Pero yung objective mo, syempre, you wanna be the funniest you can be.
Pero you're not
Diba?
gonna
Pero
evolve.
parang, I think, tinatranslate ko lang yung point ni Andrew. Parang you're
Okay.
never done. You're never
Oh, yeah.
the funniest.
Oh, pag
That
si
makes
Isa
a lot of-
nagsasabi,
But it makes a lot of
I
sense.
hate you both.
You don't... I never said I didn't want to be the funniest in the room. Tangina, gusto ko nga yun eh. Kaya nga ako nagpo-perform with, kaya nga ako yung nagpo-push na mag-solo shows dati, Comedy Manila eh. Kasi ayoko magkasama si Alex eh. Kasi nakakatawa si Alex sa akin ng time na yun. Gusto kong, I wanna spread my wings, man.
Oh, yung
Diba?
chicken
Parang ganun.
wings.
Oo, gusto ko gumawa ng poster ko na ako yung nag-iisip ng design, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun, 'di ba? Gusto ko ng ganun eh. 'Di ba? So, medyo kaya ako nag-disagree kay Andren. Sa mga pro Andrenatics dyan, convince na lang gumawa ng podcast yung mag-isa, putang. Kasi lagay pa natin
After maligo.
after maligo. Tapos nakatapis ka lang. Tapos kita yung mga, yung mga skin mo nakadiri. Fucking
Oy, kaya ako kino-cover with
loose
hats.
skin.
Ang inspiring na ng note natin.
Oo nga eh.
Stretchy
Napunta
stretch
sa
marks.
libag niya.
ang ganda ng ano natin. Tapos hindi natin siya pwedeng may hard stop si Isa eh.
May hard stop nga siya eh.
Kasi ano na siya international comedian opener na siya. Oo.
Nice
So may
one.
talks ba na parang babalik siya and then kukunin ka niya ulit?
Well, yung kukunin ako ulit, di ko alam. She just said, she'll message me when she comes back. Pero she plans another tour daw.
Yeah, she should
Like
hang out.
in a few years.
No.
daw eh. Kasi magfi-film pa siya ng special
Oh.
after the tour
Yeah, that's...
now. So parang yun din, nalalearn ko yung process na, okay, before she films her special, tinetest niya muna if it's universally
That's
funny
great.
sa different
Yeah.
audiences.
Yeah, I should have done that.
See, we all learned something.
Then ano naman, parang, pero to yun, if you film a special, it better be something that you've been performing for at least a year or two. Parang ganun. Kasi, it's a different beast, pare. Iba talaga. Yun. Just to wrap things up, baka may message ka sa mga up and coming. So, ang sama ng napaka-basic. Okay. Sa, tawag dun, when you're coming off that kind of magnitude ng, kasi honestly, para sa akin, an arena show is great. Like, intense siya. Not a lot of comedians get to do that. That's intense masyado. And, parang, to do a theater na puno, na large theater na puno, ayun yung talagang parang, para sa akin, ano talaga yun? It's such a great goal to have in everything. So, ano nang plans for?
What's next?
What's
for you?
next?
What's next for Isa Villaverde?
What's next for Isa Villaverde? Second year as a comedian.
Okay.
This is your first year na nag-resign ka. Tama ba? May 1 year ka na ba nag-resign?
I turned 1 in unemployment sa September. September ako
Yes.
nag-resign last year.
Being your own boss?
Yes. I'm very, very happy na hindi ka nag-turn out to be a hermit. Kasi that would be like a blow to what I try to
Nasira yung
try
buhay
to
ni
preach.
Isa, no?
Nalalaman,
Wala siyang buhok.
nag-talk ka pa sa agency namin nun, di ba?
Kasi alam mo nangyari.
Oh,
Kasi, di ba, si Denso yan, di ba? Tapos parang ginujoke ko na parang, baka mag-resign kayo after this talk.
Tapos ako
Tapos
pala
nag-resign siya. Tapos kinuha nila ako for Kidlat.
Oh,
Tapos
yeah.
ang guy na kumuha sa akin, si Gary,
Oh,
which is yung an ECD rin sa Dentsu. Tapos ang note niya lang sa akin, pwede naman kahit ng topic, huwag mo lang silang pag-resignin. Nakabanta na. meron na akong mandatory. Oh, watch out. Pag pinagtok mo si Red, baka may mag-resign nga empleyado. But yeah. Anong goals mo?
Well, for one, yung theater show na co-headlining pa lang
That's
with Baus
huge,
this,
yeah.
next month. But I'm also planning my own solo show, or ako lang mag-headline. By the end of the year, hindi ko pa alam which date, but at least I'm drilling it in my mind para ma-manifest siya. Gusto ko na rin talagang, parang kasi after I watched Atsuko, parang medyo gusto ko magbanlaw ng jokes.
Yeah.
Para, I want to do better for it. Hindi naman na wholesome, pero I want to do more material na tag dito. Di naman sa I'm catering na to more the general public, pero mas universally.
Hindi, may sinasabi ko eh.
Yeah. You're selling out, Isa.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi
Bakit ka showbiz answers?
Showbiz answer na. Medyo ganito, pero hindi naman ganyan.
Kami ni Andren parang, what the fuck?
What are you talking about, dude?
Pero at least with a new perspective in mind.
Gets, okay, sige, fine.
Kaya na lang. Ganun na lang. Tsaka ano din, ang main goal ko, it's a very personal goal. Pero I wanna do a show na makakapanood parents ko. Because they are, at
They're
least
very
my
conservative?
mom, yes.
Oh, shit.
She cannot handle
Maganda yun.
Catholic jokes and
It's a good
okay,
goal to have.
sex jokes, I don't
Yeah.
mind if she doesn't.
Yeah.
Pero parang, okay,
Uh-uh.
if I'm in it for the long run, dapat hindi siya ma-alienate.
Gets yan though.
Like, diba, ayun din
yeah, it's
na-inspire
very
din ako
valid.
sa parents mo. Na they watch your shows.
Yeah.
They find you funny. Nag-aambag pa sila sa
Sa jokes.
sa material
yeah.
mo. So parang, that's a personal goal of mine.
Okay, great. That's a very, very fun din too.
Yeah.
Parang ako lang ata yung may parents na ganun ka-supportive. Parang, sometimes they watch, kunwari, if I do finally, tapos alam nila lahat ng set na yun, but they like to watch all the shows because gusto nila malaman kung paano nag-react yung mga tao sa jokes.
Oo.
Parang ganon. And then down to my brother din also tells me na parang, I think nagre-react sila dito because ganyan. So nung una, mabuburat ka. And at the same time, yes, may point siya.
Yeah, kasi it's also good to parang have the point of view ng mga hindi stand-up kasi they're the ones watching eh.
Oo.
Kasi iba, it's from a different perspective na you
Yeah.
can apply it even sa
But my parents then, they don't say too much na talagang overstepping. Like I remember I used to cuss a lot sa putang like marami akong mura. Pag pinanood mo yung Paper Lantern, sobrang daming mura doon. Tapos doon ko lang na-realize na sobrang daming mura. And then I kind of toned it down nung finally. And then number 1 na nagbigay ng feedback na ko kagad. Buti naman hindi ka na nagmumura masyado ngayon. Yung pala matagal na rin siya, wala siyang bothered, di ba? Alam mo yun? Yeah, it's fun.
Kaya pala. Oo. Tsaka, actually, my mom became a fan of Atsuko and
Oh.
stand-up in general.
Because
like,
of-
she watched her special.
But is it because of you?
well,
dahil
kasi
you're into stand-up?
parang nung una, my
Wait, so
parents
your mom
just,
hasn't watched you?
they watched my first show. Pero
Okay.
parang, alam mo yung okay,
Yeah.
do that, sure. They allowed me to
gets
do
pa.
it.
Hindi
Pero
pa.
distant sila from it.
Yeah.
Tapos now, parang, nag-rave siya about Atsuko's jokes, Atsuko's videos. Parang, okay,
Great.
pwede pala to. Parang na-open lang yung mind ko na.
May stigma din kasi yung
Oo.
stand-up na R18 to. Yun yung problema.
R18 na
But-
it's for young people
dangerous.
lang.
Yeah,
It's for edgy people.
Yeah, but
Pero,
you have guys like Jim Gaffigan na pwede mo silang i-expose towards that. Yun din yung Though ako, swerte ako, my dad really likes Bastos stuff. Super. Tayo na tawan-tawa siya rin sa pinapaborito niyang joke na pinapanood ko sa kanya, yung nag-act out si Louis C.K. na nag-jowl siya na sobrang tagal. Belly laughter siya na, gano'n talaga siya.
Oh, man. Meanwhile, yung nanay ko nanood kaming Jokoy as a family. Yung may bastos joke siya na
Yes,
ano ba yan? Ba't puro sex?
Talaga?
Ganun
Oh
siya.
my God. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
wala lang.
Yeah.
At least,
medyo mahirap ha.
yun nga eh. But it's a challenge
Oh,
that
it is
like motivates
yeah.
me na.
Ang example ko ng great clean comedian si Ray. I mean, he
Oo, ganun. Di ba?
he's not that dirty.
Smart bobo lang yung
Smart
ano niya eh.
bobo, yeah. It's such a...
Baka yun yung phrase ni Ray.
That's a great tawag doon. Congrats Isa.
Yeah.
Follow niyo siya at Atsuko Opener. ano mo ulit?
Isa Birds.
Isa Birds,
Everywhere.
okay. Oo. Baka palitan mo kung gusto mo maging wholesome yung...
Bakit?
Di ba siya bird? As in like,
Kasi-
penis bird?
Well, that's on you. Villaverde kasi. It's my two nicknames based on my
Okay.
first and last name.
Okay. Isa Birds at everywhere. Marami siyang followers kay Andren.
Yeah.
By a lot.
By a lot.
By a lot. by a lot, di ba?
Pero nagpo-promote na si Andren.
Oo nga,
Baby
congrats,
step.
congrats.
Posting content.
Ito rin yung pinaka-astig doon. She's on her like second year of comedy. And alam ko maraming haters. Marami kang haters eh.
Yeah,
There's
there's one
from the
next to
comedy
him.
world. Sila Andren, sila Mikey. Lahat.
Yeah.
Galit sila sa'yo lahat.
Oh, like sobra.
Kasi yung
Let's
progress
keep
mo.
it that way.
Kasi yung
Diyan
progress
lang
mo.
kayo.
Tatanungin ko sana kung ano yung
Yan.
message sa haters yung pala eh. Diyan lang
Ayun
kayo.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Malay mo, maka-sold out din kayo ng most, pare.
Hindi ko ako ma-sell out yung most.
Pero yeah, congrats, Isa.
Congrats,
Yeah,
Isa.
alright. And then, Andren, meron ka bang po-promote?
Sa August 31, 8:30 p.m. sa Green Hills, Fatal 4-Way, Alexio, me, Ryan Rems, and Muman. Opened by Rondo Latre and Anissa C. And I'm closing out the show. Ansis C. So I'm closing out the show. Guys, tickets are surprisingly going well. So bilhin na kayo. Thank you so much. Follow me at Fundren everywhere. I'm posting content na. So
Wow.
yeah, guys.
Look at that,
Yeah.
Oh. Well,
And-
few problems lang with your promotion. Pero okay naman. Oo.
And also,
Getting there.
Pag nagpo-promote ka, wag mo i-promote yung general area lang. Alam mo yun? Sabihin mo sa
Titrino.
Teatrino.
Oo.
Ang laki ng Green Hills eh.
yeah.
Para mag-sinabi, hindi mag-show ako mamaya sa Alabang. Diba? Masyadong malaki yun.
Yes.
Pare. Oo.
And yung Facebook group na pinapromise namin 6 episodes ago,
Lumabas na.
lumabas.
Meron na. Ilalabas namin. Sisimula namin with an Andren AMA. Ano ba? Gusto mo ba yun?
Sige, game.
Like an Andren Ask Me Anything. Parang ganun. So,
Yeah.
inayos na namin yan. It's the Red Oliero and the Wacky the Doers. Ano ba yun? Tama ba?
Nga, meron, ang dami lang every show namin ni Andres, sumisigaw violently na. Why did
Oo.
Tas kung
Kahit sa Cebu.
they look exactly like my fans. Like parang mga future school shooters.
Yung mga nanonood mag-isa. Nanonood ka lang mag-isa. Oh, Wacky the Doers.
Pero isa dati nanonood ng special ko, hindi sila magkilalang anim, nasa isang team.
Lahat ng mga single ticket purchases. Layo mo sa isang table itong mga fucking incels na nandito.
Wala pa kayong mga kaibigan?
Sa isang table. Sobrang gago. Ang galing. Sa Weekend Dogs ba to or sa Vault?
So the wala pa kayong mga kaibigan? Putang ina.
Ayan, friends na sila.
Ang Ryan fans mo, support na.
Isa naka-Joker costume. Well, yun lang.
Ayun. Congrats, Isa.
Congrats, Isa.
Follow niyo siya, Isa Birds.
Yes,
You
and
can-
September 21,
sa
Teatrino.
Kurik, Teatrino, yes. Kami naman, we have the Absolute Mega Best Comedy Manila Tour going on August 24 and 25 sa Singapore, The Projector, and August 30, Sydney, September 1 in Melbourne. Yun. Sorry kung taga-Philippines kids na yung mga panon. I'm sorry. Pero please, kung may kilala kayo abroad, please, bili kayo yung ticket. Kailangan namin yun. We need your support. Thank you so much, Andren.
We just finished making same for ourselves here. Pwede na tayong
Ano yun?
Yung kay Gambit. Di ba pala?
okay,
Di ba
okay.
hindi maintindihan yung sinasabi niya?
okay.
Guys, thank you so much. Bye.
Okay.
Uy, wow! Natapos niya yung podcast episode.
Blabidi-di, pare.
Ay, isa ka sa mga taong nagtatapos ng episode. Tapos, gusto ko lang sabihin, hindi naman sa nagagalit kami. Napanood nyo to ng libre.
Yes.
Tama ba?
At hindi tayo kumikita sa podcast, di ba, Red?
Tama, hindi kami kumikita sa podcast. Pero kung gusto nyo kaming kumita at bumalik at we keep doing these free episodes, sana manood kayo ng stand-up comedy shows namin.
Oo.
Pumunta kayo sa
comedymanila.ph.
comedymanila.ph para makita ang schedule ng shows ng Comedy Manila across the Philippines.
Guys, at hindi ko kayo satisfied sa show, ibabalik din rin yung pera nyo. 100% money back guarantee.
Hindi yun totoo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
comedymanila.ph.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.